Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add labels in Todoist in 2026. Labels are a great way to organize your tasks by category, context, or priority, making it much easier to find and manage your work. First, open the Todoist app on your phone, computer, or web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, open the project that contains the task you want to organize. Next, create a new task by clicking Add Task, or open an existing task to edit its details. This will display the task settings where you can add labels. Now locate the Labels option and click or tap it. If you've already created labels, select the ones you want to apply. If not, choose Create Label. Enter a name such as Work, Personal, Urgent, or Study, and save it. Next, assign one or more labels to the task and click Save or Update. The selected labels will now appear with the task, making it easier to organize and filter later. You can use labels across different projects, allowing you to group similar tasks even if they're stored in separate project folders. Finally, use Todoist's filter feature to quickly view all tasks with a specific label, helping you stay organized and focus on the work that matters most. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add labels in Todoist step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.